with that?
Actually, what Sam Pitroda has said, we would like to remind during our hostel days, we used to have a word which is called, he falls in the category of UBI, unfortunately born in India. And his disciple, Rahul Gandhi, the type of people who are having such a foreign and aligned mindset imposing over India, we used to call them ABCD, American Brain Confused Desi. That's why he always look India from a divisive, and this shows that just yesterday Sonia ji was calling about the inclusiveness. Now it shows that the Congress is having in the garb of inclusiveness such a nefariously divisive mindset. And in this context, I would just like to say, ये तो पहली बार नहीं हुआ है साहब, आप तो पहले भी बोले हैं कि there are 22 nationalities in India. Sanjay Jha ji was asking about the question of one person or one leader and one community, but Bharat तेरे टुकड़े होंगे इंशाल्लाह. There is no need of any question. Then Hindu Dharma, eradication of Sanatan Dharma, there is no need of any explanation. Then Hindu Dharma is a virus. Then he says it is Corona. Then he says it's an HIV. No, this is a soothing song of secularism. So they have to be celebrated in the good spirit. But this has clearly said that what type of thought process you are having. Now this is the election. It is beyond election. It is the concept of idea of India, which says that everything has come from outside. And here is a concept that we are the fountainhead of the global civilization and all the knowledge has emerged from here. ये वो मानसिकता है जो कहती है कि ये देश एक सराय था, ये काफिला था, जो राजीव गांधी जी के जमाने में हमें बचपन में याद है, दूरदर्शन के आर्काइव में देख लीजिएगा, जाके एक शेर सुनाया जाता था, सरजमीने हिंद पर अक़वाम आलम के फिराक काफिले बसते गए हिंदोस्तां बनता गया. मगर हम उसे नहीं मानते साहब. हम तो ये कहते हैं जो हमारे पुराणों में लिखा है, उत्तरम यद समुद्र से दक्षिणम च हिमाद्री वर्षम यद भारत नाम भारतीय से संसदी, मीन्स नॉट टू दी ओशन and south to the Himalayas, there is a great nation which is called Bharatvarsh, and everybody living in this is Bharatiya. और मैं ये भी, I want to ask to the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, this is your Tamil Sanskriti. You are keeping mum on this that you originated from Africa. Tamil belief is having that there was a great continent called Kumari Kandam. Like the Western belief that there was a great continent Atlantis which submerged in the ocean, there is a Tamil belief that there was a great continent southern part of India connecting to the Australia which was called Kumari Kandam, which was submerged. You used to say that you are the fountainhead of civilization. Now you are joining hands with those people. और मैं ये भी बताना चाहता हूं, वैसे संजय झा जी, you are intellectual person and Suhail Seth ji is sitting. I just want to put forth a scientific thing. Actually, ये जो कलर के ऊपर प्राइम मिनिस्टर हैज मेड इट वेरी क्लियर कि आप चमड़ी के रंग के आधार के ऊपर करने का प्रयास कर रहे हैं, तो जो कलर पिगमेंटेशन का जीन है उसे कहते हैं SLC25A4, और इंडियंस में जो उसका वेरिएंट पाया जाता है दैट इज कॉल्ड RS142, बहुत लंबा नंबर है, आई डू नॉट रिमेंबर. दैट इज हैविंग अ नेचुरल एडेप्टेबिलिटी. There is nothing considered consistent. That's why only in India you will see, even in our siblings and your extended family, you will find somebody is fairer than you and somebody is darker than you, which never happens in the West. Those who are white in their family, you will not find anybody even whitish. And those who are black, you will not find even anybody whitish. So this is the fundamental problem. You are trying to have a mindset from outside India, and that's why I am saying, ये एक मानसिकता है जो देश के अंदर तोड़ो. डिवाइड इंडिया फ्रॉम इनसाइड, नॉट टू साउथ. तमिल एंड हिंदी, पंजाबी एंड बंगाली, मराठी एंड उत्तर भारतीय. देन डिवाइड इन टर्म्स ऑफ फॉरवर्ड एंड बैकवर्ड. देन दलित एंड शेड्यूल कास्ट. देन ऑन एवरी एस्पेक्ट डिवाइड इंडिया एंड देन कनेक्ट विथ फॉरेन. तो ये फॉरेन की मानसिकता और भारत की मानसिकता का अंतर. इन दिस कॉन्टेक्स्ट वन मोर सेंटेंस आई वुड लाइक टू से. On 16th of May 2014, when we got clear majority under the leadership of Narendra Modi, Sunday Guardian of London has written an editorial in 18th of May 2014 that 16th May 2014 should be considered the day in Indian history, on the day on which Britishers finally left India. Because those who have ruled most of the time before 2014, with an exception of 6 years of our rule, they were having the legacy of British colonial mindset. Now, for the first time, the power, absolute power, has come in the hands of those who are having no impact of British colonial mindset, which are pure Indian in their inception and inspiration. So now the idea has clear, वो British colonial legacy का mindset और ये मजबूत, a confident, emergent, and you can say full of confident India. So there is a clear difference. Now the things have gone beyond election. It has come to the concept of India.